Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna trade with cryptocurrency and show y'all a strategy that has been stably helping me make money. Hey guys, today you're gonna learn how to make money off of cryptocurrency with one simple strategy. I'm sure anyone who will watch this video carefully and until the very end is capable of figuring this strategy out. So be sure to watch carefully until the very end, don't miss a thing. Let's start. Today we're trading with cryptocurrency. Crypto pairs and normal currencies aren't any different actually. Basically the trading principle is almost identical. The only perk is cryptocurrencies are pretty volatile, hence easier to find entry points with them more often. Therefore we can make more deals here and get more profits. Plus, cryptocurrency doesn't always go well with technical analysis due to the enormous amount of financial news affecting the price. However, overall, all the technical analysis law work quite well here too, so we can feel free to make our profits. Today we're going to be trading according to technical analysis, levels of supports and resistance, trend lines, etc. Let's figure things out. In order to trade with crypto, we want to select crypto assets in the top left corner, and now we can pick any crypto asset we are going to trade with. Let's settle for BNB and see if there is any nice entry point over here. In order to define our trade direction, we gotta determine support and resistance levels, which are basically levels the price is likely to bounce off most often. We're gonna look for those reversing points. Let's see what we got. Well, let's find the levels of support and resistance on this rebel asset. To do that, we gotta highlight the areas the chart reverses at most often. Look, we captured the reversal at this point, right here and right here. At this moment, the price didn't reach the level, but that's totally normal. There are 3 full confirmations of set resistance level. The price may reach it entirely or not, might touch it or even overcome the level, but if the price does reverse and starts going back down, it's considered a confirmed level of resistance. Let's also draw the support level. That's our lower border. Basically, it was right here. Yep. Here, here, and here. Basically, considering all the factors, we can potentially enter downwards all the way until this level right here. We can see the line is currently going down. Let's make a $50 trade downwards using our strategy right away. We just entered with a trend. We've got these 2 huge red candles and use support and resistance levels. The trade is placed at the resistance level to be exact, and yeah, trading with the trend. Amazing, the trade closed in a profit. We got $93 of net. Let's find the next case to work with. I'm placing a trade upwards. Let's run a quick analysis. Look, there is a support level over here, a pretty strong one, because there was a reversal point right here, here, all over the place, basically, here and here, and here is another potential for reversal. As you can see, the price was previously growing, then rapidly fell, floated around these levels, didn't manage to break out of the support level, and went back up. Right now it's attempting to break the level through once again, but it's quite steady, hence pretty hard to break. Thereby we place the trade upwards since we don't believe the level can be broken through. Looking at the chart's history, we can notice the level used to expand until these credits as well as this one. So the price would bounce off of this level all the time, which is why I entered upwards. We waited for a green candle and placed an upward trade. Even if this one fails, we will once again enter upwards with a doubled amount, because this trade's potential is astronomical, since that's a very powerful support level. So yeah, we're placing our trades upwards. I made 2 deals, $100 each, just like the previous one. And what's also interesting, there was this tiny red candle with a large pullback, a large shadow, which means buyers dominate over this market. Excellent, our trade closed in a profit. As you can see, there were only 2 red candles before the impulsive green one. But yeah, pretty risky case, indeed a risky one, since pullbacks don't occur right away. Sometimes we gotta wait a little before entering the market. Nevertheless, the trade closed in a profit, amazing performance. Placing a trade downwards. We entered at the resistance level, which is basically the highest point the price reached. And we've got multiple options now, that being either a little corrective retracement, just like this, so the level will be broken through, or the chart will go down a bit. But, what matters to us is the pullback in terms of the local credits off of the top order. This one right here, waiting for a pullback. Even a little corrective motion would be enough for us to get a profit, so we placed a trade downwards. As you can see, globally the chart is rising, it's heading up. Any globally rising chart should be followed or should stumble upon corrections. There was one right here, another tiny one right here, also here, and we're planning to witness another one now. And speaking of, our trade already closed in a profit. By the way, I've got a little gift for you guys. I made an educational video with simple advice on trade and earnings. If you want to close 8 trades out of 10, then follow the link in the description to my Telegram channel. Let's find another trading case. Placing the trade upwards, there's a support level right here. The price bounced off of it quite often. We can see a pullback right here. Let's see, another one here. The price went up, bounced right here, and here just as well. So we're waiting for the price to rise a bit. Even a tiny growth will get us a profit. So yeah, we entered upwards, the general trend is upwards, but obviously the local range displays a downtrend. If the price is intended to check the bottom border once again, we will of course witness a little corrective retracement, so that the chart can gain a bit more power and proceed to rapidly fall. But we placed the trade upwards before supposedly upcoming upward correction. The trade successfully closed in a profit. The motion we suggested occurs. The local support level is pretty strong, so the price easily bounced off of it. Placing the trade downwards, there was an uptrend in the chart for a while, which was followed by this little range bound. However, we can already see a few red candles, so it's a decent signal to make a downward deal. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 red candles. 4 red candles. As you can see, there was no occurrence of so many red candles in a row before, so we placed the trade downwards. This might indicate a further trend switch, by the way. Perhaps just the corrective retracement, because the chart was rising for a little too while, and any extended growth ought to be followed by a correction in either a rapid downfall or a rapid rise. And this case closed in a profit. There was, by the way, this larger candle of uncertainty. The candle has a pretty big shadow, which is a strong signal of the price's likelihood of going down. And as we can see, it is indeed going down. I hope it's now clear for you guys how to trade with cryptocurrency and make money off of it. So give me a like and a follow, and don't forget about my Telegram channel where you can get educational videos on trading and strategies.